Hello, I'm Stephen Hammond with Christian Values Investing, and today I have with me Grayson Shaw, an investment advisor rep with Christian Values. And Grayson, over the last 5 days, or this week rather, there's been a lot of ups and downs in the market. Really, a company by the name of DeepSeek, a Chinese company, has caused an uproar or a sell-off on the AI market here in the United States. You know, companies like Broadcom, NVIDIA really sold off greatly on Monday. And the reason being, tell us the reason why, Grayson.
Well, yeah, so DeepSeek came out and they basically said that they have the exact same thing that companies like ChatGPT have with their chat bots and their things that you can go back and forth with, when you're asking them to do your homework for you. So what they're saying is they can do the exact same thing or better, but they can do it cheaper. And so this is sending up red flags for some investors because they're saying, hey, these companies are pouring billions of dollars into this. If DeepSeek is able to do it for $5.6 million like they're claiming, and with way less computing power than all these big companies like Broadcom, NVIDIA, and OpenAI, why are we even investing in these companies if we can do better with someone that's barely even trying and they're outperforming everybody else?
You know, what's so interesting to me, Grayson, is later today, ChatGPT, OpenAI came out and said that DeepSeek actually used their information to help develop this, and it kind of reminded me of a lot of the information we was hearing back in the late the middle 90s, where China was accused of stealing a lot of our secrets. But nonetheless, that information put the market with the AI spiraling downward. In your opinion today, what do you think will happen going forward in the chip maker industry as far as these stocks are concerned?
I think the chip makers are still going to be in demand. To be honest with you, this all seems like a big overreaction to me. NVIDIA still has a great product. AI is still a big and up and coming thing in the tech sector, and there's still going to be a lot of need for these chips. Even if they need less of them, they're still going to need them, and they're still going to need to be improved so that this product can be better and so that it can serve its customers to the best of its ability. I just don't see NVIDIA going downhill because a company has found a way to be efficient if they're telling the truth, and if they're lying, then it's just going to be business as usual, and that'll be uncovered within the next couple of weeks. What do you think about it?
Well, I think this most likely presents a buying opportunity for people that have not yet purchased an AI stock. They can get Broadcom, they can get NVIDIA for about 15 to 20% less than what they could a couple weeks ago. So I think it's just a glitch that the markets will recover from this, and it's just going to present to people that have some money available, cash, a buying opportunity.
Yeah, so a couple of months ago, it actually may have been about a month ago, we were on this channel talking about an AI bubble. Do you think that the sell-off has anything to do with what we were talking about in the last couple of months?
Well, when you have a group, especially technology and chips, that have been so strong for so long, usually what's healthy for the market is for it to sell off some, shake out some of the speculators, where the companies can actually come back in and get some strength and break in new highs. So I really think what we're seeing is healthy for the chip makers, for the AI stocks to really go higher somewhere in 2025. Grayson, do you believe that this hiccup in the market from this Chinese company will anyway slow down the demand for AI or even AI stocks?
I don't, and really and truthfully, I think that it'll just continue to fuel the fire, fuel the flames. bringing up awareness for AI, because people will have no choice but to see these headlines bringing up OpenAI, bringing up DeepSeek, and eventually they're going to get curious and want to start looking into it and see what all the buzz is about. But at the end of the day, these are still good products. OpenAI has many more capabilities than we even know about. They have AI that they haven't released to the public that really is just stuff that we can't even imagine. All the stuff that they allow us to have for $20 a month is very, very watered down in comparison to what they use. So what's going to come out in the next year, the next 2 years, the next 5 years, it's going to be a really big deal. And I think that people are going to see it and they're going to have no choice but to say, hey, I've got to get me some of that. And I don't think that a Chinese company coming out saying, hey, we were able to do this a little bit cheaper, or maybe we'll be able to provide this to you for a lesser cost, is going to impact just how big of a deal this is going to be. So, yeah, I'm still bullish on the AI sector. NVIDIA, Broadcom, OpenAI, they still have good things to bring to the table.
I want to disclose that Christian Values Investing is long Broadcom, and we're also long NVIDIA. And we have held both of those for a very long time, and we're bullish on those companies for 2025. Until next time, may God richly bless you.